Hello, dear friends. Today I came across a wonderful article in Times of India under the section Speaking Tree. In these days, where we are seeing all the newspapers full of informations about the pandemic, all the negativity around the world, I thought of sharing this positive thought with you all. So, here goes the article. I would like to read it out for you all. So, the heading of the article says, Making the Right Choice in Difficult Times. Whom would you call the wisest? The one who is the happiest, or one who is the learned and educated? Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that wise is the one who laments neither about the dead nor about the living, neither about the past nor about the future. This ancient saying holds true even today. We need to become wise and stop worrying about uncertainties of life. Life is a journey from B to D, which stands for birth to death. Between B and D comes C, which stands for choice. Our choice makes our life between birth and death. We must learn to make the right choice, especially in these difficult COVID times. Our minds are hardwired to make choices. Some choose to see the positive dimensions in everything, while others habitually look only at the negative side. But the negative perception is on rise in the present scenario, where the fear of infection, frustration of lockdowns, insecurity and monetary losses are gripping our minds. The world needs yoga now more than ever before. Our priorities must shift to our mental and physical well-being. We need to train our minds to see the positives in everything. There is one exercise that we all can do to develop positivity and ability to see beauty around. Before falling asleep, at the end of the day, write down on a piece of paper 10 positive things that happened to you during the day. It could be anything from enjoying a snack, cracking a joke and making someone laugh, seeing a beautiful bird, staying calm in conflict, anything. Just write the positives that you felt that day. You will soon realize that the world is filled with amazing beauties and wonders. Life is in fact beautiful. All complexities of life will break loose and you will start perceiving life in a much simpler way. It is a powerful exercise the world needs today to change the way we look at present things, especially during the pandemic. A small change in attitude can change the colors of your life to the brighter side. We need to consciously think of positive emotion every time you go through negative state of mind. When you feel upset, think of events that gave you joy or do something that you enjoy doing. Instantly, do something contrary to your negative feeling. You will soon learn to execute the choice of being in positive frame of mind. To repeat, a wise man is not the one who is learned or knowledgeable. He is the one who worries neither about his past nor about the future. Be wise. Epidemics and pandemics come and go. Never allow these factors to define your happiness. When the summer ends, monsoon will arrive. Acknowledge the changing nature of the world. Adapt and be with the flow of uncertainties. Your attitude is in your hand. Always choose to be happy, content, and in a learning state. Be like a lotus blooming in the middle of a dirty pond. Thank you, friends. I hope you all like this article which is given in Times of India, and I would request you all for such small positive thoughts. We should read such sections wherein we can help ourselves to become positive and help our people around us to be positive. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot. Bye.